I will tell you about replacing spine. First, I'll create a shape with some fill color inside and no stroke right here. And I will just, but that one, I will just create the gradient inside. And after that, I will copy by holding the Option key on Mac, Alt key on Windows. And after that, select those two objects, go to Object, and Blend. I will apply the blend. Now it shows like this. And after that, I will double click that one over here. But I will make the specify the step not on 11. I'll make that on 500. And it'll look like that. Okay, and after that, I will use this pen tool. So you can create any line using pen tool or pencil tool like so, but I will make that one no fill color, just the stroke. The stroke color, whatever color you have, doesn't matter. I press Enter key for the click the move to here. So select them all together this time. So you selected the blend, the object, and also the path. Go to object again. You can see on the blend. Now you can see replace spine. So now the spine from this straight line, it goes to that spine over here. Okay, so we'll see. Replace spine. It goes there. After you see that, even you can change the position of the first shape over here that you can see here. Even you can reposition it, or even you can reposition using this even curvature pen tool. You can create more and you can change the shape of the path like so. This is how you replace spines, and you can edit it after that.